The Wildpeak AT3W is engineered for adventure, anytime and in any weather. Designed for customers who want it all, the AT3W combines aggressive off-road ability and rugged terrain driving without compromise on the pavement. An optimized tread design combined with a silica tread compound enable the Wildpeak AT3W to excel in three areas: wear, winter, and wet performance. Designed for severe snow conditions, every AT3W tire is qualified by RMA for the three-peak mountain snowflake symbol. The deepest tread in the category provides the AT3W long-lasting wear, as well as consistent snow and hydroplane resistance throughout the life of the tire. The outer apex sidewall features a secondary bead apex that acts as a heat shield to protect the internal casing of the tire. The result is confident handling and durability with the added benefit of sidewall protection on rough roads and trails. Heat diffusers in the lower sidewall dissipate heat to protect the internal tire components. Keeping this critical area of the tire cool ensures vehicle stability even when towing or carrying heavy loads. 3D canyon sipes interlock the shoulders to resist wear from high torque, as well as providing additional handling stability. Rugged and rigid tread blocks feature support ramps and step-down features that provide tread pattern rigidity in the contact patch, enhancing vehicle stability and handling, while also preventing stones from becoming trapped in the grooves. The silica tread compound delivers superior wear life and wet performance. An aggressive upper sidewall, along with offset shoulder blocks, protect the tire from sharp rocks and provide additional off-road traction at low tire pressures or in off-camber situations. Popular fitments for the Wildpeak AT3W include Chevrolet Colorado, Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-Series, Jeep Cherokee, Nissan Frontier, Nissan Titan, Ram trucks, Toyota 4Runner, Toyota Tacoma, Toyota Tundra. With a wide range of sizing and a 55,000-mile tread life warranty on every size, the AT3W is the right upgrade for any light truck or SUV owner.